Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 4. Introduce, my name is Rosalia.
And I am Jessica Patricia. And I am Windy Widya.
On this occasion, we will present a topic about accounting entitled Financial Statement, which will be read first by Windy.
Finance is the most important element in business because this is what determines whether the business will develop or prosper. On the base to build a business from scratch, an accountant or someone who manage business finance is skill and experience. In general, financial statements are reports that contain the recording of money and transactions that occur in business, both buying and selling transactions and other transactions that have economic and monetary value. Usually, these reports are made with a certain period. The determination is determined by company policy whether it is made every month or once a year. Sometimes companies also about financial reports are made to determine the overall financial condition of the company, so that stockholder and user of accounting information can evaluate and prevent measure appropriately and quickly if the financial condition of the business experience problem or request checks. Given the importance of this report must be prepared accurately. This report must be prepared accurately, carefully, and require accountability that is submit absolutely to a person in their field, such as an accountant. He is the one who must present the report that he has made in detail in front of the stakeholder, which is usually done during the annual financial performance evaluation. If you look at the explanation above, of course, it can be concluded that the definition of financial statement is a report that contains data on the company's financial transaction for a certain period. The report must be reviewed and accounted for an evaluation discussion for future business development. There are many types of financial statement. Here are the first types of financial statement, namely 1. Income statement. The income statement is a company financial report that is made by a business to find out the expense and income of the business in detail. The contents of this report are income data as well as expense borne by the company. Usually, this report is made to explain the company financial condition at a certain period. Therefore, most reports are done at the end of the year or the end of the month, according to the provisions of the company. With the income statement, stakeholder can find out the current financial condition of the company, so that the report can be used as a basis for evaluation for the next policy step. There are two types of income statement commonly used by business. The first is single step and the second is multiply step. What is single step profit and loss? A single step income statement shows only one income category and one expense category. This report is simple, does not contain details of financial turnover that occurs in the company. The single single-step income statement uses basic accounting equations directly from your business financial activities. It is easy to understand and relatively easy to build and is suitable. And relatively easy to build and is suitable for small business. And what is a multiply-step income statement? A multiply-step income statement contains more general information than is included in a single-step income statement, but it uses many equations to determine the overall income statement. The multi-step income statement breaks down operating income and operating expense as well operating expenses. And this income statement separates the income and expense that are directly related to the operations of the business from those that are not directly related to its operations. The purpose of making a profit and loss statement, both single step and multi-step step, both simple step and multiply step, is to find out whether the company makes a profit or loss. The effect is to maintain the profit and as much as possible find a solution how. In general, financial statements are reports that contain the recording of money and transactions that occur in business, both buying and selling transactions and other transactions that have economic and monetary value. Usually, these reports are made with a campaign period. The determination is determined by company policy whether it is made every month or once a year. Sometimes companies also about. Financial reports are made to determine the overall financial condition of the company, so that stockholder and user of accounting information can evaluate and prevent measure appropriately and quickly if the financial condition of the business experience. How the loss can be covered. Main component in making an income statement. The component that must be prepared in preparing the income statement for a trading company are 1. Revenue. Revenue is an increase in the company assets or inflows from operational activities. And 2. Expense. Expense are the use of as or the outflow or incurrence of liabilities in a period due to the product of goods or shipments. And number 3, profit. Profit is the increase in equity due to transaction or owner investment or income. And number 4, loss. Loss is decrease in equity due to transaction or expense and distribution to owner. The income statement of a trading company currently has several components that can be distinguished as follows. 1. Income can be defined as a form of inflow or increase is as and a decrease in liabilities, result in an increase in equity capital. 2. Expense. Expenses are recognized as a decrease in economic benefits during a reporting period in the form of a decrease in as or an outflow, or the occurrence of a liability that result in a decrease in equity. And number 3, comprehensive income is total income minus expense. Number 4, cost of goods sold is recognized as costs incurred as a result of producing an item and selling its business activities, including raw material costs, direct labor, and overhead costs. Next, various profits in the income statement. There are several types of profits contained in the income statement. Number 1, gross profit. Gross profit is a measurement of the company's direct income from the sale of its product during an accounting period. Gross profit equals revenue from net sales less cost of goods sold. Gross profit indicates directly how far the company is able to cover the cost of its product. Number 2, operating profit. Operating profit is the difference between sales and all operator costs and expense. Operator profit can be used to measure how far the company's ability to earn revenue from its main business activities. Number 3, profit before tax. Profit before tax is the amount of profit before income tax determined according to financial accounting standard. This profit has no effect on the actual amount of income tax for user of financial statement in terms of decision making. And number 4, net profit. Net income indicates the company's profitability. In this report, the difference between net sales and cost of goods sold is called net income. Net profit is the X of net sales over cost of goods sold minus operating expense and income tax. The factors that affect the company's net income are revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expense, and income tax rates. Profit from ongoing operation represent profit from the company's ongoing business after interest and tax. This profit is also known as profit before extraordinary items and discount operation. Profit and loss statement benefits. There are many benefits that you can get if you make an income statement. The benefits are: 1. Evaluating company performance. The first benefit is what evaluating company performs. 1. Evaluating company performance. The first benefit is that it can be used as material for evaluating the company's performance. Through this report, you can see the increase in revenue or loss earned by the company. By evaluating, then you can minimize the risk of loss. For example, the company is experiencing constant loss, so you can make decisions to be able to grow and still be able to face to competence. And 2. Developing company. By looking at and observing the income statement at the end of the period, you as the owner of the company can ask the expense that are effects and not. This will greatly help the company to develop the company, because to grow a company you need to have the ability to increase revenue or profit or reduce expense, and this report can provide that information. Number 3. Assessing risk. Some companies might find it difficult to make a profit and experience constant loss. so this report can serve to as the company's risk going forward. By knowing the risk of the company or business, then as soon as possible you can find a solution. There are risks in every business, so it's important for you minimize the risk that might occur unevenly. And next will be read by Jessica Patricia.
Next, number 2, cash flow statement. The second type of financial statement is the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement, or what is commonly referred to as cash flow, itself can be interpreted as a financial record that contains information about income and expense for a period. A cash flow report must also be made by an accountant or finance department, after which it is submitted to the stakeholder for follow-up to ensure all expenditure and income items are running well. Cash flow statements are also divided into two types, namely direct cash flow and indirect cash flow. And next, number 3, capital change report. The statement of change in capital or equity is one type of financial report that is important, especially for public companies. The purpose of making it is so that the company can describe the increase or decrease of net assets or wealth in a certain period with certain measurement principles to be followed. Why would this financial statement be found in various hard or public companies? This is because most of them have a complex ownership structure in the change in equity accounts in the related year. The purpose of the information of a report on change in capital is to provide a report on change in working capital and to make an overview of investment and fund generated in a period as well as payment set. And next, number 4, balance sheet. The next financial report is the balance sheet report. The balance sheet usually contains some information about asset account, as well as things that are the company obligation in one period. In its application, there are two kinds of balance reports, namely the form of staff or vertical and the form of control of horizontal. In essence, the balance sheet is a combination of all financial statements. It is also made at a certain time, which normally is once a year. The goal is to determine financial related steps in the following years. The balance sheet is a very important financial report because in this report there is all information related to what the shareholders of a company are, what the creditors are, existing government regulation and various other policies. Some of this information is very important, so it should not be lacked. All of this information has several roles for the progress of a company, so only internal people are allowed to know certain information. In addition, another aspect of the balance sheet is to find out some of the financial condition in a company. This report shows whether the company has a healthy condition or not. This financial report a priority in the company at a minimum to find out whether the cumulative report data is in accordance with the separate data in previous report. The data in the balance sheet should not differ by a single penny and must be revised. This is the task of the accountant or the finance department who must revise until the specific time. If it is not revised, there will be ambiguity when reading all the company financial statements. Forms an example of financial balance report. The financial balance has two forms, namely control and stable. Both are used according to the needs of the company. Of a balance sheet report form, account form, the scoring balance is also known as a T-shaped balance. This report presents account in two sides, namely asset or asset of the left and debts and capital liabilities on the right. Example of a stable balance sheet report or report form. What is a stable balance sheet? Commonly referred to as a balance sheet in the form of a report because of the sequential arrangement from top to bottom in sequence. The balance sheet in the form of a report is arranged in order from the top group of assets or assets to the lowest group of debt and capital. However, some companies more often use a form of balance sheet that extends downwards. However, use in the form to the side is also still legal. The use of different form of company balance sheet is an adjustment to the number of accounts used. The more accounts there are, the more effective the staff is. Usually, the form of staffing is more often used by large companies because these companies have very many accounts and large men, while the form of control is usually easier to see because the assets and liabilities are directly visible on the right and left side. The scoring form is used when there are a small number of accounts and services. How to make a company balance sheet financial statement when you will make the report. Of course, later you will find the numbers on a transaction that are familiar. You can enter these numbers into items on the balance sheet. However, to find the number usually will go through several processes. Number 1. Make a balance sheet journal. Number 2. Posting the income statement. Number 3. Prepare the income statement. Number 4. Prepare a report on change in capital. Number 5. After completing this 4 steps, you can continue the above process to make the report. Make sure when determining numbers, you can start with taking numbers from the ledger, then comparing profit and loss and change in capital. This is useful in order to know the profit earned. The later the profit will enter the owner equity in the balance sheet. And next, balance report component. The general format used to create a sample balance sheet is the left side, which contains data on assets, the same as the right side, which contains data on liabilities. The complete explanation of the components of the balance sheet is as follows. Number 1. Asset. The first component that must be included in the preparation of a sample balance sheet is an asset or asset. This refers to the overall resource owned by your company. Broadly speaking, assets are the value of assets owned by the company to be used for operational activities. Owned by the company to be used for operational activities. There are two types of company assets, namely current assets that have a short-term useful life and fixed assets that namely current assets that have a short-term useful life and fixed assets that have a long-term useful life. Number 2. Obligation. The next component in making a sample balance sheet is a liability. This is the company debt to other parties that must be paid in the short or long term. Similar to asset liabilities also have two types, namely current liabilities or debt that have a maturity period of 1 year, and long-term liabilities or debts that have maturities of more than 1 year. Number 3. Equity or capital. Another important component in making a sample balance sheet is equity or capital. This is one of the elements in the financial statement that reflects the ownership of the company. In addition, equity can also be interpreted as the difference between the company assets and liabilities. In the example of the balance sheet, equity is also divided into two, namely paid in shares, which is the amount of cash deposited by shareholders to the company and retained earnings, which is the company profit that is not distributed to shareholders. And the last one will be read by Rosalia.
And the last, number 5, note to financial statement. The note to the financial statement refers to additional information that help explain how the company arrived at its financial statement number. This note also help explain deviations or perceived inconsistencies in the year-to-year account methodology. Finance statement records are not mandatory, only they provide clarity to those who need it without having the information placed in the statement column. However, the information included in the note to financial statement is often important because it can reveal fundamental problems with the company's financial health. Financial report function for business. Financial reports are made for a specific function. What is clear is as a means to determine leadership policies related to the company in the next period. The following will explain the function more fully. Number 1. To assess business condition. All of these reports are useful as an assessment of business condition. That is, if the financial records are too many losses, it means the company is experiencing a setback. On the other hand, if the report contains a lot of profit data, it means that the business is growing. With this assessment, of course, the leadership can determine the attitude to continue the business or even close it because of chronic business losses. And number 2, as an evaluation material. Financial reports are required for evaluation material. It is certain that if there is no such report, the evaluation carried out will not be optimal, even as doing something in vain. This whole report is an evaluation parameter to explain the problem and its solution. If there is a company setback, it can be determined what the cause of the setback is and how to solve it. If this evaluation runs optimally, of course, the next policy will be easier because the cause of the problem has been found and the best solution. So, the evaluation carried out in the next period is expected to resolve the problem so that it does not happen again. And number 3, form of corporate liability. Financial statements also serve as corporate accountability, both to investors and to the government, related to tax and so on. If the financial statements are detailed, it means that your company is credible in the eyes of stakeholders. At least the management in it is running well according to their respective portions. On the other hand, companies with messy financial statements can be said to the business entities that are not credible and have the potential to experience problems in the future. Next, analysis financial statement. Financial statement analysis can be interpreted as identifying, processing, assessing, studying, and comparing. So, financial statement analysis is the process of identifying, assessing, and comparing the financial statement made. What is meant by financial here is the comparison of all types of report for the current year with other year. By analyzing financial statement, you can find out various things related to the financial and financial health of the company. Thus, the quality of accounting information presented in a financial report can also be known. Financial statements that are usually analyzed are balance sheet, profit and loss, change in capital, cash flow, and several other reports. Purpose of performing analysis on financial statement. There are several purposes for conducting financial statement analysis on a company, such as 1. Knowing the change in the company's financial position in a certain period. 2. Assessing management performance in the current year, know its strength and weakness of the company. 3. Knowing what corrective steps need to be taken relating to the company financial position and performance. 4. Assist management in making important decisions. 5. As a consideration for investor to invest in the company. 5. Knowing error that may occur in a financial report. Next, financial statement analysis method. There are several methods that you can use to analyze financial statements, such as 1. Horizontal and vertical analysis method. Horizontal analysis is a comparison of financial data for the last year or the current year with financial data in previous year. This method is often called trend analysis and is often expressed in monetary or currency terms percentage comparison of the number of currencies can provide information about aspects that have a significant contribution to the company financial position. While vertical analysis is an analysis that is carried out by comparing the relationship of each component with an account is a single financial statement. This analysis can be applied to profit and loss account by representing the standard either as a percentage of a company's total annual turnover. The purpose of this analysis is to make it easier to obtain information if there are differences in profit, expense, and cost sharing. This method is also useful for comparing projections in the coming years and for identifying a particular trend. Number 2, common size method. The method makes financial statement in the form of presentation, which are usually made related to something that is considered important and large in number. For example, assets on the balance sheet or sales on the income statement. And last, number 3, comparative method. This method is done by comparing the figures in the current year's financial statement with the figure in the previous year's financial statement. With this method, companies can compare each of the relevant financial statement items. Conclusion: financial report can be analogous to report card for your business. It contains all data related to business finances as a whole so that you can know the financial health of your business well. All of this report can also make a more mature business plan because you can improvise based on the factual data in the report. If you use manual bookkeeping, it might be a little inconvenient and time-consuming to make all the financial statements, especially if you have to do all of it yourself and your business has a lot of transactions. Of course, a lot of time will be wasted and will increase the risk of record error. Thank you for listening to our material. Hopefully what we share can be useful for all of us. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.